Hello everyone. I'm very pleased to invite all of you to a special technological session being conducted in Bangalore by ICTMA. Experts from the related industry and related topics will be taking these sessions, and the sessions will be related to, let's say, tool making, coatings, and the challenges related to the latest machining for current industry requirements. Let's say it's 3C or aerospace or EV requirements, and everything will be covered. So I request you to please visit us, attend this session and take the benefit of the latest technological trends and talks which are being planned for this special session. Thank you very much. Looking forward to see you.